Squats. Okay. Whew. That was the fun little mummy that I found at Stop and Shop for cute little Halloween decorations. Whew. Next, a little skeleton guys would be cute. Whew. I'll try to do a different workout for y'all. Let's see. I'll try to do arm curls. We'll see where we get with that. I'll just try to do this. Wish me luck. I guess this is technically another buzz workout. But it's just 1 4 Loco. I wonder how much is in it. It's a pretty big can. 1 pint. Okay. It's about 7.5 fluid ounces. I don't think that's terrible. Oh wait, no. Hold on. That's the serving size. Okay, this is 23.5 fluid ounces. And the serving size is 7.5. So, alright. Well, next thing. Let's do this. There we go. In all fairness, nothing. I regret nothing. I said just those 2 videos. Let's take a look at our Fatboy bodybuilding progress. I want to be big right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. And obviously, you know, keep those nice too, right? I do my best. Happy Halloween, everybody. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. I'm going to press play on both of them right now. Happy Halloween. Peace and love. Subscribe. Tell me what you want to see me do. I've seen some ideas that I'm definitely pondering for the future. I'm just trying my best to make this as fun as possible for everybody. Okay. Well, that's all, you guys. That's all. Happy Halloween. Okay, bye.